Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a purchase order in your CropTracker account. A purchase order can be used to order inventory you use on your farm, like packaging materials or chemicals. It is useful for keeping track of inventory and expenses. From your dashboard, click on the Transactions drop-down menu and select Add Purchase Order. You can also get to the same page from the main transaction screen by hitting the blue Add Purchase Order button. On the top left of this screen, you can select the status of the purchase order you are creating. The status can be changed after an order is created. If you have not yet received the order, you can select Draft or Pending and change the status once the order has been processed. The first section, Details, has a purchase order number that is generated automatically. You can override this number if you have your own system for ordering. However, if you're creating a linked transaction with another CropTracker user, we recommend that you use the CropTracker generated number. Entering a reference number is optional. Optionally, you can select the supplier and the supplier address from the drop-down menus. These lists are populated from information already entered into CropTracker, but it is easy to add that information now as well. You can add a new contact or address right from this screen by clicking on the prompts next to the list headlines. For more information on adding contacts to CropTracker, check out the links in the description. Under the Date and Time section, enter the order date, ship date, and delivery date. Under the Logistics section, you can optionally enter a warehouse location where the order will be received or stored. In the next section, you can add any comments or notes. The final step is to add the product you will be selling. Click on the Add Product button in the first line, and it will prompt you to select from a list of products in your account. This list is populated from information already in CropTracker. For more information, check out the Adding Products video link in the description. The units per pallet will automatically fill in based on the product you've selected. Fill in the total number of units being bought in the quantity line. The purchase price is where you will enter the cost of the product. It will auto-populate the sale price with the same number right away. To change the sale price, click on the blue Add Adjustment button. It will prompt you to fill in the line below. Enter the difference in price and it will change the sale price in the line above automatically. You can add a description or an explanation and notes if needed. If this sales order is for more than one product, you can add more following the same steps by clicking the Add Line button. When you have finished adding all of your products, you can save your purchase order. If you're receiving the order right away, you can select Save and Receive. To create the same purchase order again, you can select Save and Copy and make any adjustments you need. If you need to create another new order, you can select Save and New, and you will be taken to a new blank purchase order screen. If you're done with this purchase order, simply click Save Purchase Order. To see the purchase order you just created, go back to the main transaction screen using the drop-down menu. From here, you can edit an existing purchase order by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the transaction number. Select Edit, and you'll be taken back to the purchase order screen. Here, you can change anything you need, including the event status to record when the product has been received, paid for, or completed. This concludes our video on how to create a purchase order in CropTracker. For more information, visit our website at www.croptracker.com or check out the video and knowledge base links in the description. And as always, thanks for watching!